So how do you install and use this beauty? I have a blank sheet, a screenshot, and an intention to show all of the process to you. Installation is the same as for all of the sheet add-ons. As you see here, when you find this add-on, so you're gonna see the installation page like this. We are QAexperts. Some screenshots here, the little guide how to use that below, link to our website, the functions we implemented, and so on. Just click free here. It should install the add-on to your Google Sheet account. Yeah, I have a new one generated, never mind. I'll show it here. You just need to wait for a couple of seconds until it's been installed. All right, it should be right here. TestrailSheets, yep. This is what you're gonna see in the submenu when you install the add-on, and I'm gonna show you the basic way of how to use that. And the first thing you should do is to connect to Testrail, which means specify your credentials as well the host you have Testrail hosted on. We have an example here like https QAexperts testrail.net. Just change it to whatever you like. I'll put the host which we are using in our company and blur that out just in the purposes of security. Let me type in the username and password. Yep, I'm done. Click in login. Just need to wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, not in a second. It says Testrail configuration was saved and verified successfully. That means you've logged in and your credentials are valid. What should you do now? The further usage is quite easy. You should generate a template from here. We've implemented this template for you to start up the report quite quickly and know what you're doing. You just need to wait for some time. Yep, as you see, it's ready. Let me move my recording window out there. Yep. And by the way, it's loaded already, still loading here. The functions might be a bit too heavy, but whatever. The thing you should do to continue using that is to change the IDs we've put here, 464, 1117, 11119, and so on, to your IDs of your milestone in Testrail, test plan in Testrail, test run in Testrail, and you get the latest status of the milestone, plan, and run with all the statuses you have and the issues here, which you have linked to the test cases, which have been failed or passed with minor defects or whatever. These are all the available statuses I have in my project, in Testrail, in my plan, in test run. And yeah, you're done and set up in 1 minute. This will update itself automatically, or you can click here to update the report. This is gonna recalculate formulas. That means it's gonna fetch the data from the server once again, and you're gonna be all set up again. As well, you can apply any of Google Sheet formulas you like to get something interesting out of the data you get. I don't know, sum all of these numbers, get the average of them, count the defects you have, count the most frequent defect failing your test cases, whatever. As well, in case you'd like to get something of your own and build your own report, you can use these functions we've implemented. We've used them to build this template. One of these functions is tr_get_run_status. You type it in here, enter. Just place your ID and it's gonna load instantly. Or maybe you'll have to wait for some seconds, but yeah, it's ready. There are more functions here, tr_get, and you get a lot of functions. You're free to play with them, to use them as much as you want and build your own reports as well. That's all. To summarize, install the add-on through Google Sheets interface from here. Log in with your Testrail credentials. Generate the template or use your own report, build it. Use the functions which are tr_get. They'll get you all the data you need. And as well, replace the IDs of your milestone, plan, and run to start the report up for your own Testrail. Thanks for watching. Leave your feedback under the video or in the add-on form. Visit our website to get more details. Adios.